Here's the problem. You're probably taking multiple supplements, spending a fortune, and still not feeling the energy and vitality you want. The supplement industry has convinced you that you need 15 different bottles to be healthy. But what if the solution was simpler than that? What if one powder could deliver more nutrition than your entire supplement routine? Here's what might surprise you. A single tablespoon of this powder contains more usable nutrition than most people get from their entire breakfast, and it addresses inflammation at the cellular level where your body actually needs it most. The answer lies in understanding what Moringa powder can do for your body, especially as you age. But first, you need to know why everything you've been told about plant nutrition is wrong. You've been told your whole life that plants can't give you complete protein, that you need meat, eggs, or dairy to get all the amino acids your body requires. This belief runs so deep that most people over 40 assume they need multiple protein sources just to maintain muscle mass as they age. But what if this fundamental assumption was wrong? Here's what the nutrition industry doesn't want you to know. While you're combining beans and rice or buying expensive protein powders, one single plant contains more vitamin C than 7 oranges combined. It packs more calcium than 4 full glasses of milk. And it does something that almost no other plant on Earth can do. Let's talk about what real nutrition looks like. Most people think they're getting adequate vitamins from their daily orange or their glass of milk. But gram for gram, Moringa leaf powder delivers 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. The calcium content reaches 4 times that of milk. These aren't just impressive numbers on paper. Your body absorbs nutrients differently as you age. The synthetic vitamins in most supplements pass through your system without being properly utilized. This is called bioavailability, and it's why you can take handfuls of pills and still feel nutritionally deficient. Natural plant-based nutrients come with cofactors and enzymes that help your body actually use them. For example, Moringa's plant-based iron comes naturally paired with vitamin C, which enhances absorption without the digestive upset that synthetic iron supplements often cause. Moringa contains a broad array of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together in ways that isolated supplements simply cannot match. When you reach your 40s and beyond, your digestive system becomes less efficient at extracting nutrients from food. This is why nutrient density becomes critical. You need foods that pack maximum nutrition into every bite. But here's what makes Moringa truly extraordinary. While nutritionists have taught us that we need to combine different plant proteins to create complete amino acid profiles, Moringa breaks this rule entirely. It's one of the few plant sources with all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. This makes it comparable to animal proteins in terms of amino acid completeness. This complete nutritional foundation creates a different kind of energy in your body, not the artificial stimulation that leaves you crashing hours later. Why your energy crashes while Moringa users stay strong all day. Instead, this is about sustained cellular energy that keeps you steady and strong throughout the day. You know that feeling when 3 p.m. hits and your energy just disappears? You reach for another cup of coffee or maybe grab something sweet from the break room. Within an hour, you're crashing again. This cycle repeats every single day, and you think it's just part of getting older. But what if the real problem isn't your age, but how you're trying to fuel your body? Most adults live on this energy roller coaster without understanding what's happening. Caffeine gives you a quick spike by forcing your adrenal glands to release stress hormones. Sugar floods your bloodstream, causing insulin to rush in and crash your blood sugar lower than before. You're not getting energy from these sources. You're borrowing it from your future self, and your body pays the price. Here's the truth about real energy. It comes from your cells converting nutrients into usable fuel through a process that requires specific vitamins and minerals. When you're missing these key nutrients, your cellular energy production slows down. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses inside every cell, can't do their job properly. This is why you feel tired even after a full night's sleep. Iron deficiency affects nearly 20% of adults over 40, and most don't even know it. Iron carries oxygen to every cell in your body. Without enough iron, your cells literally suffocate. They can't produce the energy you need to feel alert and strong throughout the day. Most iron supplements cause stomach upset and constipation, so people avoid them entirely. Moringa contains over 25 milligrams of iron per 100 grams, more than most supplements provide. But here's what makes it different. Plant-based iron from Moringa comes with vitamin C and other cofactors that help your body absorb it without the digestive problems. Your body recognizes this natural form and uses it efficiently. The B vitamins in Moringa work alongside this iron to convert your food into cellular energy at every step of production inside your cells. Without adequate B vitamins, your cells can't efficiently turn food into fuel, no matter how much you eat. Compare this to what caffeine does to your system. Every cup of coffee depletes your adrenal glands a little more. Over time, this leads to adrenal fatigue, where your body struggles to produce natural energy even when you're not drinking caffeine. You become dependent on external stimulants just to feel normal. In a study of 30 women, Moringa improved blood sugar control and energy levels without any jittery side effects. When your cells have the iron and B vitamins they need, energy production becomes steady and sustained. You don't get the artificial highs and devastating lows. Instead, you maintain consistent energy from morning until evening. But sustained energy is just the beginning. The real power of Moringa lies in how it addresses something most people don't even realize is slowly destroying their health every single day. The silent inflammation killer. That big pharma doesn't want you to know that something is chronic inflammation, and it's silently destroying your health in ways you never imagined. You wake up with stiff joints, your back aches, and you assume it's just aging. But what if these symptoms aren't inevitable parts of getting older? What if there's something silently attacking your body from the inside, causing the pain you've accepted as normal? Here's the truth about chronic inflammation. It's the hidden cause behind most age-related health problems that people think are just part of getting older. Your joints hurt because inflammation is breaking down cartilage. Your energy drops because inflammation interferes with cellular function. Your risk of heart disease increases because inflammation damages your arteries. This isn't aging. This is your body under constant attack from inflammatory processes. The medical industry wants you to believe that anti-inflammatory medications are your only option. But NSAIDs can cause stomach ulcers and serious complications while only masking symptoms without addressing the root cause. Meanwhile, a natural solution has been hiding in plain sight. Moringa contains specific compounds that target inflammation at its source. These include isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. Unlike prescription medications that simply block pain signals, these natural compounds actually stop the inflammatory process from starting. Here's how this works differently than the medications your doctor prescribes. NSAIDs block certain enzymes temporarily, but the underlying inflammation continues. By stopping inflammation at this cellular level, Moringa prevents the damage before it begins. A 2014 study tracked people who took Moringa powder daily and measured their inflammatory markers. Participants experienced measurable decreases in C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, which are key indicators of systemic inflammation in your body. That means you could wake up with less stiffness and fewer midday aches because your body is actually healing the underlying inflammation. The isothiocyanates in Moringa work by inhibiting specific inflammatory pathways at the cellular level. They neutralize the free radicals that cause oxidative stress, which is the primary driver of inflammation and cellular aging. This process helps reduce chronic pain and arthritis symptoms by addressing the root cause rather than just masking the discomfort. When you control inflammation naturally, you also help regulate one of the most critical health markers that determines how well you age. But there's another silent threat happening in your body every single day that most people never think about. The blood sugar secret that could save your life. Your doctor checks your blood sugar once a year, but what's happening between meals every single day might shock you. Blood sugar spikes are aging you faster than you realize. Every time your glucose levels shoot up and crash down, you're damaging blood vessels, affecting your brain function, and setting yourself up for serious health problems. Here's what most people don't understand about blood sugar fluctuations. Even if you don't have diabetes, these daily swings affect your energy and long-term health in ways you probably never connected. When your blood sugar spikes after a meal, it triggers inflammation throughout your body. When it crashes an hour later, you feel tired and reach for more food or caffeine. This cycle repeats throughout the day, gradually wearing down your system. You might be surprised to learn that many people have blood sugar issues without knowing it. Traditional approaches focus on restriction and elimination diets, telling you what you can't eat. But what if there was a way to naturally regulate your blood sugar without cutting out entire food groups? What if your body could handle glucose more efficiently with the right nutritional support? This is where Moringa's specific compounds come into play. Chlorogenic acid slows carbohydrate breakdown, and isothiocyanates boost insulin response. By moderating how quickly glucose enters your bloodstream after you eat, you get steady energy instead of sharp spikes. The isothiocyanates enhance your pancreas's ability to produce insulin when your blood glucose rises and improve how effectively insulin helps your cells take up glucose from your bloodstream. Chlorogenic acid also enhances your cells' sensitivity to insulin. When your cells respond better to insulin, they remove glucose from your blood more efficiently. This mechanism keeps your blood sugar stable throughout the day, preventing the energy crashes that leave you feeling drained. A study involving 30 women demonstrated these effects in real people. Participants consumed 1.5 teaspoons of moringa leaf powder daily for 3 months. The study revealed a 13.5% average reduction in fasting blood sugar levels from this simple dietary change. This level of improvement connects directly to how well your body ages and maintains vitality over time. Blood sugar stability affects more than just energy levels. It influences brain function and your risk of developing diabetes and heart disease. When your glucose levels remain steady, your brain gets consistent fuel and your blood vessels stay healthier. You've now seen how one simple addition to your daily routine can address multiple health concerns that most people think require separate solutions. The truth is, you don't need 15 different supplements when one powder can deliver what your body actually needs. Moringa isn't just another health trend. It's a complete nutritional solution that addresses the root causes of aging and fatigue. Start with 1 teaspoon daily in your morning smoothie or stir it into warm water with honey, and pay attention to how your energy and overall well-being change over the next month. When you start today, you can expect more steady energy and reduced inflammation within weeks. Your body has been waiting for this kind of complete nutrition. Now you know exactly what to give it. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite way to use moringa powder.